Good morning everyone. So today we have gathered here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. So we will start with the flag hoisting. We have Tata to do the flag hoisting. जननायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलसितरंगा तब शुभ नामे गावे तब शुभ आशीष माहे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. I like to tell why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti to pay a tribute to him as he was ready to sacrifice life for our country. Also it is Lal Bahadur Shastri's birthday today. So now I would like to tell some quotes of Gandhi ji. The first quote, the future depends on what you do in the present. The second quote, first they ignore, then they laugh at you, then they fight at you, then you win. The last quote, if you don't ask, you do not get it. Okay? So now we have a speech by Akash, Manaswini and Danush. We have Akash to tell the speech now.
Good morning friends, I am Akash. Gandhiji is also called as Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. This day is his 150th anniversary. He was born on October 2nd, 1869, Porbandar, Gujarat. Because of his struggle for independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose kept his name as Father of our Nation. We also call him as Babu. He devoted his life to India's independence with a strong weapon called non-violence. This day is also celebrated as International Non-Violence Day. Gandhiji not only saved India, he saved many other countries. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Danusha Rajat. Gandhiji is also feasted at Rajghat, New Delhi. Prime Minister and President will offer flowers to his Samadhi. They also sing his favorite song Raghupati Raghava. There will be a national holiday. He was an honest man and a true lover. In 1888, he completed his law in UK. India get freedom after 200 years of slavery. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Manaswini. He told and preferred to wear khadi clothes and never accepted British culture and always followed India's customs and culture. He encouraged Indians to have faith and fight for their rights. He joined Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who was already struggling. Gandhiji went several times to jail. There were many movements. Some are Quit India movement, civil disobedience, non-cooperation and Salt March or Dandi March. They walked 400 kilometers, etc. Quit India meant British to live and go India. Gandhiji was dead on 1948, 30 January. Gandhiji was an Indian lawyer. Thank you.
So now we have a small sentences by three of us.
It is because of his devotion and struggle, India became a free bird. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Now they will sing Raghupati Raghava, which is Gandhiji's favorite song.
Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, Patita Pavana Sitaram. Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, Patita Pavana Sitaram. Ishwar Allah Tero Naam, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान. ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। Thank you.
So now we have keyboard from So now we would like Bapu sir to tell some words about Gandhi ji.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂಕಲ್ಲು. ಸೊ ಇದುವರೆ ನಾವು ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜಯಂತಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೀಮಿತಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇನ್ನು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅವಾಗ ಹೀಗೆ ಸೇರೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಾವು ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಮನ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೊಬೈಲು ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಲೈವ್ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಹಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಇರೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಬಾಕಿ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರಂಗೆ ಆಗುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಾಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
So now there will be a drama of salt satyagraha.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Under British provinces came a rule that the British imposed the taxes on Indian salt. The taxes were raised. This made difficult for Indians, mainly poor people. They were not even allowed to collect, produce, or sell. If anyone would do these three activities, except the British, would be imprisoned for 6 months. Gandhiji and many other followers of him got to know about this, and they thought this is unfair and decided to protest. So he organized a salt march from his ashram to Dandi in South Gujarat. It started on 12th March 1930 with 78 people and Gandhi along 240 miles. From the ashram to Dandi, many joined the march to protest the British rule. They walked 12 miles a day and reached Dandi in 3 weeks. He called it a
Battle of right against might.
At the shore, he took some salt grains and pledged that
With these crystals of salt, I'm gonna shake British Foundation. Thank you.
ಆಕಾಶ್, ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾತ್ರ, ನಿನ್ನ ರೋಲ್ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ನಿನ್ನ ರೋಲ್ ಯಾವ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು?
ಯಾವ ರೋಲ್?
ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ.
ಅದು ನೀನು?
ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗಾರ್ಡಿಯನ್.
ಫಾಲೋವರ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಬ್ರು. ಫಾಲೋವರ್ಸ್.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हम राहे हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो पद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।